Today I'm going to be showing you on how to make a simple gluten-free vegan raisin banana muffins. Starting off with making the egg substitute, I'm using 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed with 5 tablespoons of water, and then mix them together. Then in another bowl you want to add 1.5 cups of gluten-free flour of your choice and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now, because we're not adding any additional sugar into this recipe, you want to use a very ripe banana. Here I'm mashing 3 ripe bananas into the stainless steel bowl. After mashing them well, you want to add another teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you want to add about half a cup of non-daily milk of your choice. Here I'm using my homemade soy milk that I made like yesterday. Mix them well together, then add the dry mixtures into the wet mix. Then you want to add about 3/4 cups to a cup of raisins. And here we're using quite a bit of raisins because, like I said, there are no other sweetness in this recipe. So the raisins and the ripe banana is what's really gonna bring it together. I forgot to mention that during this time, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so here in this baking pan, I'm basically coating it with a very light amount of olive oil and then just brushing on the side so that it wouldn't stick on the edges. Once you've done that, divide them equally and throw them in the oven at 350 degrees for about, I would say about 20 minutes or so. I didn't really exactly time it, but just try to poke it with a fork and see if it's fully cooked through. And there you have it. I know that's not the best looking muffins that you have ever seen, but I promise you it's delicious and you can snack on it all day because there's no added sugar into this. Anyways, thanks so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.